Boom, and we are back. What's up, y'all? All right, let's keep digging in. Let's keep hacking. Looking at the comments, Amoeba Man had a good point. He said, "Hey, what are the permissions for that service account?" And remember, we saw that service account was part of some privileged IT users. So let's go ahead and look up our service account. I think we can just search for it if I can remember the service account's name. SVC Alfresco. Compromised. False. Actually true. Come on. We are a member of service accounts. Okay. We don't have any of that. Enrolled, group membership. So, group delegated. Right click on the node and set compromise to true. Okay. It puts a skull on it. You didn't show us that and try hack me, Amoeba Man, so I didn't know how to do that. So does it show he's compromised now? Probably just need to refresh it. Who are the other users? Just to refresh that node. I don't remember the other users. Let's go to analysis. Let's just go like that. Okay. Compromise false. Oh. I thought I marked as owned. Okay. So if we start him as the starting node, let's think through. We know that he is in that service account group membership. And if we look at this, what permissions does this group have? It's one member. Oh, hold up. I remember stuff. Service accounts has generic right permissions to administrators. What is generic right again? That's coming back to me. Was that generic Viagra? Oh, man. Grants you the ability to write to any non-protected attribute on the target object, including members for a group and service principal names for a user. Let's open this back up. That's interesting. I can't really. Can I get a shell on anything with this service account? There wasn't like SSH or anything open, was there, on this box? What I mean, man, set the end node as a DC you're trying to get to. Good idea. Let's open up our Google Maps. Yeah, generic right is going to be the way I believe. If you set an end node, B8 should draw you a real nice picture. Well, I'm glad I caught that on my own. So maybe domain admins is where you want to get to. If I just set this. Okay, I see. So here's us. We have service accounts. We're a member of privileged IT accounts. And privilege IT accounts is a member of account operators, and we have generic all permissions on Exchange Windows permissions, and then we do that. So we need to go from account operators to Exchange Windows permissions. Generic all means we can do like everything, right? We have full rights to the object.